Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from eXp Realty, and I am thrilled to introduce you to 54 Koda Street, Unit 303 in Barrie. This is an amazing 4-year-old condo building that has so much to offer. This particular unit offers 2 large bedrooms with massive windows and 2 beautiful bathrooms, one that's an ensuite off the primary bedroom. This unit actually is 1,154 square feet. And as you can see, the living room, kitchen, dining area is very spacious with high ceilings, lots of light, especially from the sliding door. And it also has an in-unit laundry, which is fantastic for anyone. One of the features I like most about this unit and this building is that you're able to have a barbecue on your own balcony, which many buildings don't offer. If you're looking for almost a brand new building with low condo fees and lots of space to enjoy, then this might just be the best property for you. If you have interest in a home like this, please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.